Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical surface cleaner, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Surface Cleaner, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best surface cleaner from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. WOJET 20-inch Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner. Discover the power of the WOJET 20-inch Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner. Built for heavy-duty cleaning, this commercial-grade tool is perfect for driveways, patios, decks, and more. With 2 high-pressure water jets and 4,500 psi, it delivers a superior, streak-free clean, eliminating dirt, grime, and stains from concrete, wood, tile, and brick surfaces. Its sturdy design features 4 wheels and dual handles, offering enhanced mobility and saving up to 80% in labor and time. Crafted from durable stainless steel, the WOJET surface cleaner is designed for lasting performance with minimal maintenance, featuring a pre-greased swivel that prevents clogging. Compatible with most gas and electric pressure washers over 2,000 psi, setup is quick and hassle-free. This package includes 2 replacement nozzles, a nozzle cleaner, and a full toolkit. Plus, WOJET provides lifelong after-sales support for your peace of mind. Clean smarter and easier with WOJET. Number 2. LidoDola 20-inch Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner. Transform your cleaning routine with the LidoDola 20-inch Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner. Ideal for large surfaces like driveways, patios, sidewalks, and decks, this professional-grade cleaner makes tackling tough dirt, mold, and grime a breeze, no chemicals required. With a powerful 4,500 psi and an impressive flow rate of 10.5 GPM, it's built to save time and enhance your pressure washing experience. This surface cleaner features all-metal construction and durable stainless steel, providing strength for heavy-duty jobs. Equipped with 4 wheels and tough, flexible bristles, it's easy to maneuver and effectively control splashback, protecting adjacent surfaces. The 1x4-inch Quick Connect wand makes attachment simple, and it's compatible with most pressure washers over 2,500 psi. LidoDola includes helpful notes for connecting adapters, ensuring a seamless setup. Enjoy years of dependable use with this high-efficiency pressure washer attachment. It's like having a professional cleaner in the family. Number 3. janz 24-inch Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner. Meet the janz 24-inch Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner, the professional solution for powerful and efficient cleaning. With a 24-inch wide cleaning path, this surface cleaner tackles tough grime on large surfaces like driveways, patios, decks, and sidewalks. Built for durability, it features stainless steel construction and a heavy-duty bearing, designed to stand up to high-pressure cleaning with up to 4,000 psi. The dual high-pressure jets spin rapidly, cleaning up to 12 times faster than a standard nozzle, while the splash-free skirt keeps you dry and focused. Maneuver easily with the adjustable handle and 4 casters, and enjoy the streak-free results as it keeps nozzles at a fixed height from the surface. Compatible with most pressure washers 2,000 to 4,000 psi, it includes a spray gun with a 3x8-inch quality control inlet, hose adapters, and a trigger lock for effortless operation. Plus, janz provides a 12-month warranty and responsive customer support for added peace of mind. Number 4. MEKOH 20-inch Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner. Achieve superior cleaning results with the MEKOH 20-inch Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner. Designed for professional-grade performance, this 20-inch surface cleaner features 2 high-pressure water jets for non-marking, streak-free cleaning, perfect for driveways, patios, sidewalks, and more. With a powerful 4,500 psi, it tackles stubborn dirt and stains in a fraction of the time, covering large areas 8 times faster than standard nozzles. Lightweight yet durable, it's built with eco-friendly PP material, solid brass, and a fully sealed bearing to prevent leaks and blockages. The 2 ergonomic handles and 4 smooth gliding wheels make it easy to maneuver, keeping nozzles at an ideal height to protect both the cleaner and your surfaces. Compatible with most pressure washers over 2,000 psi, the MEKOH cleaner is ideal for concrete, wood, brick, and tile. Reduce your cleaning time, save water, and enjoy a more efficient, satisfying cleaning experience with MEKOH's reliable, high-performance design. Number 5. Tool Daily 24-inch Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner. Level up your cleaning power with the Tool Daily 24-inch Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner. Designed to tackle the toughest dirt and grime, this high-performance cleaner boasts a maximum pressure of 4,500 psi, providing the strength needed for even the most stubborn stains. With its 24-inch cleaning diameter, you can cover large surfaces efficiently, cutting down on cleaning time. Constructed from corrosion-resistant stainless steel, this durable cleaner is perfect for both residential and commercial applications, standing up to frequent, intense cleaning tasks on surfaces like driveways, patios, rooftops, and sidewalks. Easy to attach, it's compatible with most pressure washers, equipped with 3x8-inch quality control from M22 to 14 and M22 to 15 male fittings for hassle-free setup. Ideal for those seeking a time-saving solution, the Tool Daily Surface Cleaner is a powerful attachment that upgrades your pressure washer into an efficient, large-area cleaner. Tackle big jobs fast with Tool Daily. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.